Hi Cancerians, how are you? This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute in Finite Healing. Perfect. How was your month of November? Hmm? Did you resonate to whatever I said? I would not say predictions, but I would say readings. I always say that I do tarot readings. I just read what the tarot has to say. I basically am like a encoder for the medium tarot. All right. So I don't see predictions, but I hope you liked what I said and it really helped you because I give tips in each and every video also. All right. So I'm ready for December. Let me see what December has in store for you, Cancerians. Lovely. This time I have decided to pick 7 cards. All right. And let us see what the 7 cards have to say. Dang, dang, dang. Oh, me and my filmy giri. I used to be an actor earlier, so sometimes you might find me doing such things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow, amazing cards. Frankly, amazing cards. Especially relating to money. What all you need? Yeah, I don't say that money buys all the happiness, but at least it makes you feel secure. Money wise, things are very, very, very good. So you have the Page of Pentacles, which gives you a good message relating to money. Then you have this card. This is also a very good card, but this also says that whatever money, this is also an investment card actually. So there's time that you need to invest, but it also suggests some kind of charity. Again, I have a different take on charity. I will always choose to do charity if someone is in my karmic contract or not. So, what is a karmic contract in detail? When you meet me one on one, I will definitely tell you, and we can also search your karmic contract in Akashic records. We can do that absolutely, and that will be a very one on one private session. But I always feel that I don't want to add new karma by doing charity to someone who's not in my contract. I have no judgments towards mandir charity, church charity, or whatever NGOs. I do everything. Just like I always check in my checking tool, that I use the dowsing pendulum. In many videos, I have shown you. So this is my dowsing pendulum. If my pendulum says yes, I have to do charity for this person or this institute or whatever, I do it just right away. If it says no, I'm really sorry, but even if the person is crying, I can't. Because then I would add karma, that person would add karma. Again, I have to take another birth to give up that karma. No. So I choose my charity. Again, choose your charity. Okay, you will get that gut feeling, or else we are always there. You can have a personalized session with us, with me also. I can also guide you that way. So it's time to charity. It's time to charity. And this was one of the again money card that I was showing you, and then one more card. You have money, don't be a miser. This is a miser card, all right? So sometimes you might start behaving like a miser, even if you have so much. You might feel that I don't have much, or you might save in the way that today I will stock everything, tomorrow I don't know if I'd have or not. Don't be that insecure. Money has to go in a flow. Money has to go to come. So if you keep on only stagnating, money is not going to really help you. Because money is energy. It's just not the currency or the notes. It's a mentality. So don't keep a miser mentality here. Let the money go, and let while going also you bless the money and say, I'm giving you right now. Come back and multiplied by 4 or multiplied by 10 or whatever that you feel you deserve. I always do that. I would suggest a nice pyrite stone. This is one of my favorite stones. You just keep it on the drawer and it attracts money. For me, it is always kept here. I just keep it here and it amazingly attracts money. Or you could also use a citrine for that matter. But pyrite has proven something out of the world for me. So even the money mentality is broken if you use a pyrite. And also, you guided to a correct way, a correct vision for money. So that's what I would use. Time to take risks. Take risks. If you want to propose someone, if you want to take a leap of faith, leave your job and get to another job, whatever, whatever that you're trying to manifest, the risk is worth taking. And please don't think just take the risk. Not many times this comes in the reading that the time is conducive for taking risks. Not many times. And whenever it comes, I'm very happy. So we wait for such kind of a planetary position or such kind of a conducive atmosphere where we've thought, I'll put my money here, I'll do this, or I'll go and ask this person this favor, whatever. This is the time that you do it. Risk. Again, I always am a brand ambassador of calculated risks. So that's a personal choice. So worth risk taking, money is fine. You will get help from aged people this time. Aged people, maybe learned aged people, you will get a lot of help, advisory help from them. So please go ahead with that. There'll be a lot of ideas this month, but you'll not be able to execute. Maybe you're in a holiday mood for December. You might not be able to execute that, but there are a lot of ideas. Write it down, note it down, or else then you forget. So noted these days, the notes are very handy in the phone. The only thing I am concerned, don't worry, it's okay. This is a victim kind of a card. So I don't know why, especially maybe because of this mentality of yours, this miser mentality of yours. There'll be a point in this month where you will start victimizing yourself or feeling like I am the victim of so many things in the house, in the office, whatever. That's a sick mentality. I'm really sorry about this, but you need not feel victim even when you are going through something rough in your life. Never feel me, why me, I'm the victim. Everyone here are victims of victims. Someone has to break the cycle. So I'm a victim because of a victim. He's a victim because of some victim. So we are victims of victims. I hope you get what I'm saying. That's the only thing that you need to do. Here, just work on your miser mentality, especially relating to money. Work on that. And the victim mentality. And go for it. Bye, right. My favorite. All right, take care. See you soon. Next time, I'm going to make a video. Next month, I'm going to make a video on how your year will go, how your year will fare for your zodiac sign, Gemini. Cancer, sorry, Cancer. Yes, and take care. Bye bye. See you.